In this tip of the day, let's take a look at changing the background color within OneCNC. Now, this is very simple to do. All you need to do is take your cursor, head up to the upper left-hand corner, select File. From there, select OneCNC Properties. Now, within the Properties dialog box, you want to select the Colors tab. Notice down here there's an option called Drawing Background, and there's two color palettes. That's because you can designate a gradient for the background if you'd like. The leftmost palette is for the top color of the gradient, and the rightmost palette is for the lower color of the gradient. Let me demonstrate. Let's click on the left palette, and let's go with, how about that color right there? We'll click OK, and as soon as we do that, we have a nice gradient. Let me give you another example. Let's head back up here, select File. From here, we're going to select OneCNC Properties, and again, we're going to go back into the Colors tab. Now, let's say that we want a solid color for the background. That simply means that we just need to make sure that both of these palettes have the same color. Let me demonstrate. Let's click in here. I'm going to select this darker gray here. I'm going to do the same for the lower color on the palette. Both of these colors match. Now I can click OK, and now I have one solid color for the background. Now, let's say that we want to reset back to the original colors. We're going to go back up to the upper left-hand corner, select File, OneCNC Properties, back into the Colors tab, and now in the lower left-hand corner of the Properties dialog, there's an option called Reset Colors. Simply left-click that, click OK, and now you're back to the original colors. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.